Hello friends, welcome back to another season of our applications. In this season I'm creating a study app for the student or for the school, or if you want you can use it for your extra lessons. I will show you. In the previous season we created a registration and a login, so I will use the same registration and login, but I will change some functions. So it's a application for the school, so you want to give our students the user levels and also the teacher levels. So what I'll do here, I'll come to my registration page. As you see, this is the registration activity. Also in our XML file layout, this is a registration that we created in the previous season. So as you see, this is the registration with a grocery, a castle, and a clothing. So these are the user levels. So the user or the students can register himself through this registration. So what I want to add here, I just want to edit this. I want to change and edit the background. So I have my few images. I'll add these images, then I will select one of them. So I want to use them as a background. So at first I'll try the start one and see if my background is still nice. Okay, so I will use the 34 image. So you can use any image you want. You can design the image for the background. So this one is a 34, so it's one that I will use also in a login. Okay, so now I'll come to the registration. Then you want to change this. So these are the classes that you want to give this user levels. So I'll only use a few ones. So I will say in my country we have ECT, also mm, also you want to remove the cell phone number, because this one is created for a primary level, so I'm just creating for primary level. So we'll remove this contact number. Okay, so we need the username, the password, and the email. So once we done that, we need to refresh this. Okay, so as the owner of the students, if you are the one who managing the students, you can register them so that you can give them the user levels, or you can let them register themselves. So now it's fine. You can add more levels here from grade 1 to grade from grade 1 to grade 6 to grade 5, so you can add more, but for now I will just add these 3. So now it's fine. Let me come to registration activity. So you want to remove this contact, then you also come here, you want to remove everything about contacts. So to view errors, I'll remove the variable. Here in registration, we need to add a login here. So I will add a text here so that if the user have already sign up, then we give them an option of creating the login. So what we need to do here, the registration is our main activity. So we need to set an agreement here. So you can add an agreement here so that the user can read the agreement. After that, then it will register, but this will be our main activity. So let's try to register a new user. So we'll come to manifest here, then we'll change this to registration. So my registration, I want to remove the taskbar, so I remove the action bar. Also I want to change this image. I want to try the different image, so I'll try a different one. So I'll use this one. Also I'll change on a login site. I'll use the same image. Also I want to add the name of the application here. So to make it fast, I'll copy this text. Now our app is now ready, so let's try to see this registration. As I told you, this is a front this is the front activity. So if the user launch, it will start by registering or login to use this application. So if this application is for any public users, or it's not for a personal school or for your college or for doing extra lessons, so this application can be used by anyone in the world or in your country. So we'll let the user register themselves, then they get their levels, or If you don't want to give them their levels, then you just remove this option for levels, then you let them register so that they can use the app without to see all the lessons. So as you see, for now we are going to, if the user register here, we are going to the class levels so that the child can choose his own class. So it's now this application, you are not using the user levels, but if you want to use the user levels, then you give this user level. So now I'm just showing you how to create these levels. So now I'll change this and I'll say select class level. Okay, so now I think it's now fine. Let's try to run the app. Then we register the first user. So the application is working fine, so please download my application, also share my videos, and also you can download my application. It's called DevSelfTech to get this code that I'm used to create this registration. Please, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.